Hi there, welcome back. I just want to show you how to play Give Up by Russ. On the song, we have to keep on the 4th fret to make it super easy and avoid all the bar chords used in the song. Now the song is not that like you can just play a lot of part in the guitar. Obviously this just like 4 chord progression we have, 4 chord progression we have for this song, and it's actually done with the same rhythm going for the whole song. So let's get started. We have to keep on the 1st fret. Just have a look at the chords. It'll take 30 seconds. First chord is C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Our next chord is E minor, so all nice and easy chords 0 2 2 0 0 0. And the next one is a D major, which is mute 0 2 3 2. And the next one is a G major, which is 3 2 0 0 3 3. And that's the 4 chord we need for the song. We just have a look at the chord progression. It's actually a C, then an E minor, then a D, then a G. And all the chord actually goes for 1 bar. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I'm just gonna show you the rhythm in a second. Before starting with the rhythm, for 20 seconds, I just want to speak. If you won't mind, please subscribe to my channel because I'm really working very hard. Uploading 5 videos in a single day, and in this Saturday and Fridays, I'm like doing 10 videos a single day with tabs and all. In the song, which actually has all those riffs and finger picking, I'm arranging for tabs. So that's the reason I'm telling you guys to please subscribe. I'm working really hard in this free time, sitting in the home and just making lessons for you guys out there, fastest and the freshest songs. So that's it. I'm dropping one of this. It will help you out. And let's start. So the chord progression I told you, and just have a look at the rhythm. This is a very basic rhythm. What I'm doing is I'm going in the count 1 2 3 4. So on the 1 and the 2, I'm doing a down, which mainly focuses on strumming the A D strings, like the A D G string. Like I trying to mute that B and the high E string for this 2 downs. So 1 2 1 2, and on the 3rd one I actually go full down, strumming the whole chord. 1 2 3 4, like that. And the 4 again I do a small down. So 1 2 3 4, and when I move on to the next chord, I just do a up. So basically it goes like 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. This is just random chord progression. So I played 1 down 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 up. So down 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 up, down 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 up, down 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 up, down down up. So 1 2, then I have 3 4 and, so it's a bit fast. Down up 4 and, so 2 3 4, and change the chords. On the up you basically change the chord, because some of you guys may struggle changing with the chords if you're a beginner. So therefore when you do the upstroke, other people will think that you're actually still playing the guitar. I'm not stopping in between. So that's almost everything for this lesson. If this helps you out, again drop me one of these. Check out the community tab. There's more stuff, cool stuff waiting for you guys, and obviously I'm just gonna do something special for so many subscribers that I have gained in this like 1 or 2 months. So therefore help me to reach what I said. Our target will be 3,000 subscribers. Like when I see the lockdown is over, I will bring something very special to you guys. And that's it. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.